Hi everyone and welcome back. Thank you so much for returning. And if it's your first time clicking, I appreciate you. But please don't forget to subscribe, okay? What I am making is a carrot cake. This cake, in fact, we made it during this last Easter for the family. So I have some 4 carrots, medium-sized carrots in there already chopped into pieces. And those are the eggs. Just keep calm, relax, don't go anywhere and enjoy watching this video. I have 5 eggs I am adding in here, which I'm going to blend together with the carrot. Yeah, this is a cup of oil I added to it. I decided to put the oil in here and the egg because they will help, instead of adding water, they will help the blender, they will serve as liquid to making the carrot blend easier. Yeah, having my already 2.5 cups sifted flour, all-purpose flour of course, inside that bowl. I added a cup of sugar and a sachet of baking powder of about what grams? I think I will put everything for you guys in the description box, and mixing up the whole dry ingredients. And that is set aside. Tell me what you're thinking about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do it now before we continue and watch to the end. So I'm adding just a tablespoon full of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract does me so well. I love this flavor, guys. Then I mixed everything up. Then I start incorporating the dried ingredients with the wet ones. And I'm doing it bit by bit, batch by batch. I didn't put everything all at the same time. It's to help enable me mix it better. And lovelies, in case you don't know, in case you're new or you haven't known, this carrot cake is number 2. Yeah. Some time ago, I made a carrot cake in a different way. The picture is up here and I'll put the link in the description box. Go and see it. That one is... In fact, let me reserve my comment. See it yourself and tell me what you think about it, comparing it with this very one. And here I stop using the hand mixer and I finalize it with my wooden spoon to an extent. Then I'm adding some heavy cream into that mixture. Guys, look at that mixture. It looks like custard and milk. It's so beautiful. Then gently I incorporated it. Anyway, I am lubricating my pan with oil. You can use butter, guys, if you wish to. Added some flour, which I made sure it went all around the pan. The excess I put away. And of course, nothing will be wasted though. I made sure I took every remaining thing inside that bowl. Very well. Nothing is to be wasted. Food is expensive now, guys. You can testify. I made sure I scraped it all. And of course, tap it. Tap, tap, tap. So the air in the stuff will go off and the dough relaxes. Woo! It's out! And for the sake of time, I cut off the cracked top and sectioned my cake off camera, okay? So it wouldn't be too long a video. But tell me if you want me to make a video where I cut, I slice, section my cake, you know. If you want me to make it for you, let me know. Yeah, and of course you guys know I am a lover of creamy cakes. I will always want to do it again and again and again. Even my family, they had no choice than to love it with me. And like I said earlier on, it is the second time I'm making a carrot cake, but different methods. The picture is up here for you to see how it looks in case you're searching for it. And the link is as well in the description box. Touch it and go and see that one too. It's quite a different version of it, differently made. And tell me in the comment section which one you prefer or you would like to make. And to round it all up, I had to use this multiple colored, rainbow color, what is it called, stuff to make my cake shine. Oh my goodness, to give it this look. Guys, please don't forget to leave your comment. Tell me what you're thinking about this very one before you go and watch the other one, okay? And leave your comments anyhow you want to do it, okay? Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this cake. My gas did not allow this cake to chill very well. You know, I had to frost even while it was still hot, so the cream melted inside. So that is it. I think this is the end of this video, guys. I don't know how to tell you again I love you. Thank you so much, and we'll see again, okay?